My name is Muhammad Hazim Kamarudin. We are from Group 9.8. We want to present about the concept generation. For the function study of our product, the general function is to unclog the sink pipe. And the function, there are three functions. We want to break the clog in the channel. We want to remove the waste in the pipe. And what we use to for the power supply. For the break the clog in the channel, the subfunction is using drain snake mechanism and also the chisel nozzle. Both of these use is to destroy solid waste in the pipe. The cleaning process can be done efficiently when the solid waste in the pipe destroyed. And for the chisel nozzle, the high water velocity will come out from the chisel nozzle. So it can destroy the solid waste in the pipe. For removing the waste in the pipe, the pump is to pump the water into pipe. It is to take the waste out of the pipe to avoid any waste left in the pipe. For the water pump, it increased water pressure and flow. In order to clean the pipe, the velocity of the water must be higher to make sure it can break the solid waste completely. For the power supply, we choose the AC plug to generate pump. So it is enough power to generate pump and to release high velocity of water. For the function diagram of our product, the pump being supplied with water, we start with this, and the electric supply is being supplied to the pump. Then the pump starts to work, and the pump is release high pressure of water and high velocity of water through the chisel nozzle, and it used to break the solid waste in the pipe. The chisel nozzle plus the drain snake being pushed in the pipe, so it can remove all the blockage the pipe is clean, until the pipe clean.
Today I will present about the concept generation for our main product. My team and I use a morphological chart to select the best option that will be used to make a main product. We have a few functions that will be used for our main product. We have 5 options to break the clog in the channel. There is drain snake, pump, chemical, plunger, and cheesy nozzle. For the power source, we have 4 options. There is battery, AC plug, solar, and manpower. The type of the pump that will be used to remove the clog in the channel, we have 4 options of the pump. There is water pump, air pump, pneumatic pump, and high pressure water jet pump. For the water supply, we have 2 options. There is tank and direct supply. For the portability, we have 3 options. There is wheel, foldable, and roller. Our team have 5 final product and it need to make an analysis to choose the best option that will be used to make a main product.
Okay, my name is Zahir and I will explain about my rough sketches. First, the water we get is directly from the water source and the power we use is AC supply. This is the body of my sketches. It has a drain snake used to break the clog part and the pump hose to flow the water directly from the water source, and there's pump inside this. Then we have the pump hose to flow the water that has been pumped, so the water flow into the drain is high pressure. It has wheels and handles so it can be moved around easily. Thank you.
Electricity. I will present a few interesting things how this product is work. Firstly, the pump will flow the air to the PVC pipe. Then the air in the PVC pipe will be compressed. The air pressure gauge meter will read the air pressure in the PVC pipe. If the value of the air pressure is reached at the specific value, the manpower will release the high air pressure to the drain channel using a brake.
For the rough sketches of my product, Hazim, uh, this is the body that hold the pump. This is the AC supply, and this is we use the roller for the portability, and the button is to release the water. When we want to release the water, we push it, and if we don't want to release it, just leave it. This is the water hose to transmit the water supply. This is the pump, and this is the hose and connect to the drain snake mechanism. The drain snake mechanism is to extend the hose. This is like the roller and can for the easier. It is for the easier storage, so it will not be messy when the hose is too long. The hose is designed hard, so it can go through the pipe. It can go through the pipe. Uh, when we push we must push the button to release the water, and the water will come out through the nozzle with high velocity and high pressure to destroy the solid waste and remove it from the pipe. When the high velocity is coming out through the nozzle, and it will also remove it remove the waste in the pipe. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Irfan bin Hamran. This is my drawing for Cindy Kruger. The shape of my design is box shape. It is compact and portable. Below it, it has a wheel for movement around easily. Inside, it has water tank to store water and a pump. A pump used for flow of water through a hose into a drain. At the top of it, it has control panel, which has on-off button and a speed for our pump. A drain snake is attached at the side of the box so that it is easily reached when need used. That's all. Thank you.
Today I want to present about my concept in the concept 5. Um, we are going to product design that will satisfy the needs of the customer. We taking into consideration the desires and needs of the specification. For the main part of my design, is water pump, the drain type, and C plus, both water tank. For my idea, I want to put the panel into the house, into the most of the thing. Um, I think the pump can push or pull. Uh, uh, for the water pump push. I pull the with the plug in the thing. I put the filter at the mouth of the panel. Uh, for the water pump pull the waste cloth. I used to condense pipe. For the supply, I use the AC supply. Uh, I use the water for the water tank and the pump. The pump pull the water into the hose and push the clock and release the clock. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, for concept generation, the first step is screening method, absolute criteria. From the five concept, the first concept is from Zahirul, second concept is from Rizwan, third concept is from Hazim, fourth concept is from Irfan, and fifth concept is from Muhammad. We will filter all the concept and choose which concept is most suitable for our product. Okay, from five of the concept, please. Okay, yeah. For the first filter, we will filter the concept. If the concept is not feasible, conditional, or is it feasible to be met. Not feasible means is it is not possible to be met. Conditional is it can be met but under certain condition. Feasible is it is possibly can be met. Okay, the first concept is can be met. The second concept is conditional, which under certain for the first filter, the concept 1 and concept 3 is feasible, means it can be met, and concept 2, 4 and 5 is conditional, which it has some certain problem which require it under certain but concept 2, concept 4 and concept 5 is conditional. It is because it can be met but under certain circumstances. But concept 2, concept 4 and concept 5 is conditional. This is because it only can be met under certain circumstances. Okay, going on the filter 2, the second filter. For the second filter, we will check whether the concept, whether we for the second filter we will for the second filter we will check whether the concept is acceptable or not, or it is under conditional. For conditional, this means like it is not acceptable or not rejectable, so it is in between. Okay, for concept 1 and concept 3 we will go on with the project, but concept 2, 4 and 5 is conditional. It is okay. For the filter 3, we will check whether we can follow the concept, or we only revise the concept. Okay. For filter 3 we will choose which concept. For filter 3 we will be using the concept for our product, so we will choose either we can go with the project, we can revise the concept but we choose other project, or we does not go with the project. So for the filter 3 we will follow the concept 1, which is made by Zahirul, but we will revise the concept of other concept, and we will go with the concept 1, but we will revise other concept. So we will apply some of the concept we get from the concept 2, concept 3, concept 4 and concept 5, and we put into concept 1, so it will make it become better product. Thank you.
Thinking about those clinical for the concept one, we continue to study concept one and concept two is continue to study. We got the highest rank for sum of class is 3, for the concept 2, and for the concept 1 is the sum of class is 5. So
Today I will present about the scoring method. Our team used a scoring method solution to choose which one is the best scorer for 5 options of the product. We list a few criteria that are listed in the scoring method. There is cost, weight, maintenance, handling, reliability, and the efficiency. The highest score will be selected as a main product. After our team analysis and put the score for each option according the criteria, we conclude that the concept 3 is the best option to be the main product. For the cost, this concept score 405. For the weight, this product score 405. And for maintenance, it score 305. Handling, it score 405. Reliability, 505. And the lastly is the efficiency, It scored 5 over 5. This option took a first place for the total score.